Welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Center. Myself Vikram Mistry. Today I am going to discuss MCQ related to isometric projection. Let's start. First MCQ. The angle between isometric axis is how many degree? Options are 180 degree, B 60 degree, C 90 degree, D 120 degree. So these three are the isometric axes. Here we are drawing the height, here we are length considered, here the depth of the object is considered. From that reference we are drawing the isometric view. So these are the isometric axes. So any cube we are drawing, by reference to that we are drawing, and the angle between that two axes are 120 degree always. Okay, so if any two axes you consider, the angle between that is 120 degree. So option D is correct, 120 degree. Second MCQ. Isometric view of a rectangle will become. Options are A rectangle, B square, C rhombus, D parallelogram. So we have to draw isometric view of a rectangle, then its shape how will be going to change. So that we'll see here. So this is a rectangle is given ABCD. From that, in isometric view, here the length will be there, here the height will be there we are drawing. So if we draw this rectangle, so it will be look like this ABCD, that is you can see it is as a parallelogram. So this is we have drawn in front view. If you draw in different view also, then it also look like as a parallelogram. So here we see the another view, that is top view. So that is look like this, that is also parallelogram. So answer D is correct, parallelogram. MCQ number 3. Identify the top view of given isometric view. So this isometric view is given. From that we have to identify the top view of that. Options are, so here 4 option is given. If you consider A option, this view is, you can see here it is your front view. So that is wrong answer. Option B, this is when we are looking from the side view, it is look like this. So that is also wrong answer. We have to find here top view. If this we consider, there is some correction will be there. You can see here the circle is come below and this rib that will become top side. So this is the wrong answer. So right answer is this. You can see here rib section is here and there is a hole will be provided. So when you're looking from this front view and then you have to move to the top side and then it's visible, that is your top view. So option D is correct. Fourth MCQ. The line parallel to isometric axis are called which line? So when we are drawing the line parallel to isometric axis, they are called, what the options are? First one parallel, second auxiliary line, third one isometric line, and fourth one is oblique line. So these are three main isometric axes are there. Okay. So we are drawing from this parallel line. If we draw like this, okay, and from another isometric axis we draw another parallel line. So like that we are drawing some object. Okay, so this parallel line is called isometric line. By this isometric line we are drawing some object. So here cuboid is shown to you. Okay, another different line that are also the isometric line. This line also you consider as a isometric line, that is parallel to your isometric axis. So option C is correct, that is isometric. Next MCQ number 5. The value of ratio of isometric length to true length is, options are 0.141, 0.372, 0.815, 0.642. So isometric length to true length ratio always 0.815. So option C is correct. MCQ number 6. The true length of the edge of cube is 15 cm. What will be the isometric length? Options are 17.78, 14.48, 12.99 and 12.22 cm. So equation we are knowing isometric length upon true length equal to 0.815. So here true length of the edge of Q is given 15 centimeter, and we have to find out isometric length. So here we put isometric length upon true length, that is 15 centimeter. So isometric length become 15 multiplied by 0.815. So you get the answer 12.225. So your answer D is correct. 12.22 centimeter. Question number 7. The isometric projection of circle is a option A is circle, B ellipse, C hyperbola, D parabola. So if we draw the isometric projection of circle, it will be look like circle, ellipse, hyperbola or parabola. So normally if we draw the isometric view of circle, it will be look like a ellipse. So option B is correct. If you want to understand how to draw circle in isometric view, below description link is provided. In that video, you can easily understand step-by-step procedure of how to draw circle in isometric projection. MCQ number 8. Isometric view of cube is drawn. The angle between the edge of the cube and horizontal will be how many degrees? So options are 15, 120, 45 and 30. So any cube we are drawing, okay. Here asking their angle between the edge of the cube, these edges of the cube are there, okay, and with horizontal, what will be the angle will be there, okay. So we are knowing the angle between isometric axis is 120 degree. Any two isometric axis between that angle is 120 degree. Now these are the edge of the cube. Now we draw the horizontal line. So this is our horizontal line. Now from this horizontal line you have to draw parallel line, other line. Okay. So this is also one horizontal line. Now if you see here, this is your 120 degree total, and that below angle will be, you can consider as a 90 degree. Okay. So it is at right angle, so it is considered as a 90 degree. So remaining angle will be 120 minus 90. So that become 30 degree. So angle between edge of the cube, this, and your horizontal line, it is your 30 degree. So answer D is correct. MCQ number 9. The front view of the rectangle is given and has to draw its isometric view. Which angle the vertical edge meet with horizontal? Options are A 90 degree, B 15 degree, C 30 degree, D 60 degree. So this is a rectangle given to us, okay. Now we are drawing the isometric view of that, okay. And then we have to find out the angle between vertical of this edge and with horizontal. So this is our isometric view of rectangle, that is parallelogram. This is vertical edge of your rectangle. This is our horizontal line. So angle between that, it is your 90 degree. So option A is correct, 90 degree. Last MCQ number 10. If an isometric projection is drawn with true measurement but not with isometric scale. Here we are drawing by true measurement but isometric scale we are not using. Then the drawing are called, options are isometric projection, B isometric view, C isometric perception, D orthographic view. Okay. So when there is a isometric projection will be drawn with true measurement, then it is called isometric view. So option B is correct, isometric view. If it is drawn with isometric measurement, then it is called isometric projection. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.